INC 5.2, the part 2 of 5th session of Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee meeting is scheduled to take place in Geneva from 5th to 14th August 2025. World leaders meet this week in Switzerland to discuss much awaited global plastic treaty. But why is the world meeting over something like plastics? The Global Plastic Treaty is proposed legally binding international agreement designed to end plastic pollution. Its development commenced in 2022 following a historic resolution adopted by United Nations Environmental Assembly. An international negotiating committee convened by United Nations Environment Programme has met 5 times since then, with the latest session occurring in Busan, South Korea in late 2024. The second part of its 5th session, INC 5.2, is scheduled to take place in Geneva, Switzerland. The treaty's primary objective outlined in Article 1 is to eliminate plastic pollution, specifically aiming to protect human health and environment, including marine environments. This ambitious goal necessitates a comprehensive full life cycle approach to plastics, encompassing every stage from design and production volume to consumption and ultimate disposal. A significant additional aim is to foster circular economies through enhanced reuse and recycling alongside the development of plastic alternatives. Countries like Ghana, on behalf of African Group, Rwanda, Bangladesh, and Tuvalu, Pacific small island developing states, strongly advocate for life cycle approach encompassing the need to tackle not only plastic waste but also upstream drivers such as production volumes and product design. While the overreaching goal is widely supported, deliberation reveal diverse perspectives. Countries like Brazil, Egypt, and Indonesia frame the objective within broader sustainable development narrative, whereas Malaysia highlights circular economy consideration for sustainable waste management. Iran, in contrast, stresses legacy plastic pollution and the importance of financial technical support for developing countries, while Kazakhstan and Kuwait call for greater sensitivity to national context. Other article drafted in the treaty covers everything from shared definition and regulating plastics products and their design to preventing pollution, managing waste and cleaning up existing damage. Crucially, it includes a commitment to just transition for communities supported by financial mechanism, capacity building and robust compliances measures. The agreement with article on national plans, reporting, public awareness and health truly encompasses every aspect of plastic life cycle. To understand how this article will shape the final treaty, stay tuned to Down to Earth YouTube channel for our ongoing analysis of negotiation in Geneva, Switzerland.